So Dogecoin is up this week thanks to Elon Musk, of course, revisiting the Twitter deal. He may be looking to acquire Twitter after all. And of course, many of the Dogecoin holders think that Elon will provide utility for Dogecoin on Twitter, maybe even its native currency. Now, late last month, he did say that it's really not blockchain friendly, Twitter itself. However, it still hasn't stopped people from thinking that Dogecoin will have some type of utility when it comes to Twitter if Elon and the deal is finalized. Now, in terms of the price of Dogecoin, we got a 10% bump here earlier this week on the news that Elon was revisiting the Twitter deal. So Dogecoin could actually rise further if it breaks the resistance. And that's what I want to talk about here in this video. Make sure you hit the like button down below, subscribe as well. You're watching this content here on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel, an educational platform, but much, much more. So many things are coming and happening with this company. Make sure you're locked in. Check out the website, clearcryptos.com, and also hop into the Discord to stay up to speed on launch information and what is coming when it's happening. Very excited to get this thing going. And I know so many people out there can't wait until ClearCryptos drops. I've had so many comments. When launch? When launch? It's soon. It's getting there. It's getting there. All right. So Dogecoin may rise further if it breaks the resistance. So Dogecoin, as I mentioned yesterday, on Tuesday, was up 10% this week. Of course, Dogecoin's backed by Elon Musk. He calls it the people's coin. It gets a lot of attention from retail investors and the media because of Elon's influence. And he published numerous playful tweets, of course, last year that suggested the long and deeply intertwined history of Dogecoin and Elon. When this post was written, Doge was trading at around 6.5 cents. So basically, we got the little spike there. It was yesterday. And in the last 4 months, Dogecoin's price has been consolidating between 7 cents and about 5.5 cents. Now, the candlesticks are forming around the upper range of the Bollinger Band. The recent red inverted hammer candle suggests the price will hit the baseline of the BB around the level of 6 cents even. We'll see if it bounces off that again. Now, we do not suggest, it says here, we do not suggest long-term investing into this because it's so driven by the media and the social media, but so many people beg to differ and they look at Dogecoin as a long-term asset. You know, personally, this is never financial advice, of course. Diversify your portfolio. Have a lot of the blue chips in it, in my opinion, in your crypto portfolio. Personally, I have 28 of the top 100 cryptos in my personal portfolio right now. And Dogecoin is fascinating, though, because it's still the second largest proof of work protocol right behind Bitcoin now, with Ethereum, of course, moving from proof of work to proof of stake. And Dogecoin, while it doesn't have a lot of activity on it now, many people, including the likes of course, Elon, but even Mark Cuban, believe that the future is bright for Dogecoin. In fact, Mark Cuban actually said recently that he thinks Dogecoin is a better project moving forward than Cardano, which is kind of crazy. And that sparked a lot of, commentary about that. But I think Dogecoin is in a fascinating place with this Elon Musk deal. And I do think we could see some positive price action if and when Elon says something about Dogecoin and how it'll be integrated in some way to Twitter. I do think we have to pay attention to that because it would produce, I think a spike in the price. People who maybe even were in it last year and are out of it now would get back in it in hopes that, the price would move higher once it was fully integrated into Twitter's system. Now, we'll keep tabs on this. Dogecoin, though, remains a top 10 cryptocurrency. The overall crypto market sitting under 1 billion. And it's been a pretty boring last couple weeks, but I'll take boring right now. That's not terrible. Dogecoin, again, ranked number 10 right now, a market cap of $8.4 billion, still up 5% on the day. There you can see the 7-day, that spike that happened when we got the news. So we'll keep tabs on it for you, and we'll catch you in the next video. See ya.